Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video. Now, I know it's been a while you guys have seen me, but your girl been busy, okay? I've been taking a break. I need a break. So I took a little time off from my channel, but I am back, all right? So let me just explain to you this wonderful, powerful weight loss tea. Now, I'm going to show you how to lose 22 pounds in only 1 month, and also 6 pounds in 1 week. Okay, now this is a simple seed that is good for detoxing your body. It's good for digestion. It's good for insomnia. It's good for so many different things. It has wonderful benefits. So I'm going to show you how to make the tea. Now, the only disclaimer for this tea is that if you have a gluten sensitivity, do not use this. Do not take this tea. And if you are having surgery, this has coagulation agent, so you should not use this if you're getting ready to have surgery. But other than that, and you're just trying to lose some weight, detox your body, get rid of that stuff, this tea is for you, okay? So let me show you this powerful weight loss tea that's going to slim you down, get rid of that gut, clean out your gut, and get you ready. All right, so let's start. Now, this tea is using a powerful ingredient, and it's called barley, okay? And this is organic barley tea. It's made from barley seeds. And what barley tea is, it's an infusion of roasted grains in water. This also can help in detoxifying your body naturally. It also improves your digestion. The smoky aroma from a freshly brewed cup of barley tea can help calm your senses. The roasted barley gives the drink a nutty flavor. This is a soothing drink. It doubles as an herbal medicine as well. And it acts as a natural antibacterial. It is a cleansing, cooling, and caffeine-free and can lift your mood. This also is wonderful for detoxifying your body. Now, as you can see, these are dry roasted barley seeds, and it has a nice nutty flavor and aroma. And that's basically it, you guys. So what we're going to need for this video is we're going to need a pot. So we're going to put our pot on a nice flame, and we're going to use 4 cups of filtered water. Now, if you have an infused tea kettle, you can also put this inside your infused tea kettle and just boil it and let it steep and cool down and drink the water that way. But I'm going to show you another way. So this way, you know, if you don't have an infused tea kettle, you could just boil it right on the stove. And I'm just going to sprinkle my barley seeds in this. Now, I'm using 2 tablespoons of barley seeds. Okay. 2 tablespoons of barley seeds, and we're just going to bring this to a boil. What I could have done is just allowed the water to boil first and then added it in, but either way it's fine. Now, this barley tea is going to help to detoxify your body in 2 ways. First, it's going to cleanse your blood. Barley contains a substance called pyrazine, which prevents blood coagulation and helps improving circulation. So if you're having circulation issues, this is going to help to get rid of that. Secondly, it's great for your liver and helps in excreting all the toxins from your body. It also helps in breaking down the excess fat in your body and allows your liver to function at its best. Now, one thing I realized with this barley tea when I started making this and using it for myself, it really sends you to the bathroom, okay? So I put 4 cups of my filtered water in there, and you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons of your barley seeds, okay? And we're just going to cover this on a medium flame and allow it to boil. And then I will be right back after these wonderful announcements. Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it. And like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right? Check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. One thing with barley, it improves your digestion. Because of the fiber in barley, it's going to help to regulate your bowel movements. It also prevents constipation and gets rid of a bloating stomach and keeps your gut clean. It also acts as a natural anti-acid and helps in relieving indigestion, heartburn, and upset stomachs caused due to imbalance in the gut acids. This is really powerful. And the first day I started using this, I felt the effects right away within, say, a half an hour. And what I've been doing is I've been drinking at least a cup 3 times a day. All right, so this is why I say make 4 cups of this, because you're going to be drinking it 3 times a day and it tastes delicious. Okay, you sweeten it with a little honey and that's it. If you choose that you want to use some lemon, you can squeeze a little lemon in there, but it's really not even necessary because of the taste. It gives you that wonderful roasted nutty flavor like coffee. Now this is full of antioxidants. It's going to act as a natural antibacterial. It is high in fiber, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that will protect your body against cell damage. Now if you're suffering from any cold and flu symptoms, this makes a great home remedy for colds and flus. It breaks up the phlegm and relieves you from congestion and even cures a sore throat. So at the same time, it also helps in building up your immunity and makes you stronger from within. So there are wonderful benefits from these wonderful barley seeds. And now when your tea is finished brewing, you just pour that in. And it smells so good. It smells so nutty. And then you just put in a little bit of honey. And voila, your tea is ready. Like I said, you can also add in some lemon juice if you choose. You want some lemon juice, but it's really not necessary. That nutty aroma is good. It smells good, okay? Now you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also drink this throughout the day. Drink it 20 or so minutes before your meal. You can drink this after your meal. It's not a specific type of drink, okay? This is definitely a detoxifying drink. So just know that after you drink this, you will have the desire to go to the bathroom, and that's what this drink does. You can drink this throughout the day, but just know it is going to cleanse you out. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning, if you are gluten sensitive, this is not the drink for you. If you are also getting ready to have surgery, this is a blood coagulation, so it's going to thin out your blood. So do not drink this if you're having any type of surgical procedures, all right? So just remember that. But other than that, this is going to help you to get rid of 22 pounds in 1 month and even 6 pounds in 1 week. This is a powerful weight loss drink, and you can drink this throughout the day. It is delicious, and I'm telling you, you're going to feel the effects, all right? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Check out down below for the link for where you can buy your own barley tea. I bought this on Amazon, and it is wonderful. This is a 1.5 pound bag, and it's going to last for a very long time. So check out down below in the Amazon affiliate links for this wonderful organic barley tea. It's already dry roasted, and it has a wonderful nutty flavor, and it's organic, okay? Also check out my eBay store for wonderful links for the herbal honeys that you can also use in this tea. Also the ferment flat belly detox, as well as the living bitters. They are wonderful and also aiding in you losing that weight. You can drink those tonics along with drinking this tea, the better, okay? The more, the powerful that your body is going to react to it and get rid of that excess weight. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, beauty care videos, all right? And you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play, all right? This is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it, okay? You're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel, okay? So like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store, all right? So until the next time, you guys, have fun, okay? And I will see you in the next video.